Hey, it's Crystal. So, it's been 3 weeks since I last updated the video about Ambi and armpits. Um, I know I said it'd be 2, but I forgot to apply sometimes, like twice a day. I'd only apply once, and sometimes I just skip it all together. I forgot, so I just went on and did 3 weeks instead of 2. But that's gonna be the end of me using um, the Ambi. I mean, I'll still use it, but not like every day, twice a day, because they're light. Everything is fine. There's nothing really to correct anymore, and I'm not going to use it anymore because I don't want it to be like abnormally light. So I'll use it every now and then because my armpits will get dark again with me continuing to use the razor. But right now they're just, Ambi works. That's all I have to say. Ambi works. So Ambi fading cream works for dark underarms, as you can see. Yay! So happy. So swimsuit time and the hot neck bed. I'll actually feel comfortable, like wearing spaghetti straps and tank tops, not having to worry about my underarms. And you know what? That's just awesome, and I'm super excited that that worked. So for you ladies out there, or men, who have, problems with your dark underarms, trying to figure out a way to make them disappear, then just use Ambi's fading cream because it works. Okay, now signing out. Bye-bye.